Today I'm gonna break down this lovely look for you guys, and it starts right now. Hey everybody, my name is Heaven and welcome to another video. If you're new here and would like to learn a couple of new tips and tricks, some product reviews, you can start by subscribing to my channel and turning notifications on. Well, let's jump right into this video. Today we're going to change things up a bit and I'm going to prime my eyes using a concealer that is more along the lines of my skin tone. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and it is in the shade Fair, which is number 10. So a little bit of course goes a long way. I'm going to be going in with some Airspun Translucent Light Setting Powder and just quickly 1-2 over the entire eye to set that concealer. Now, to start this look, I'm going to grab that baby pink from the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm just going to work it into my crease with my M433 from Morphe. Now with the same brush, and we are just diving into a slight variation of that same pink, just a little bit darker. We want to get it a little bit more intense on the outer corners. So this color is going to be applied just to the outer corners. Going in with a fluffy blender. So I'm just going to take this on the outer portions and just blend that product together. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me and a flat rounded concealer brush. We are going to set this using a white loose pigment. Any that you have lying around will work just fine. I did pick up that baby pink that we first put in the transition, and I'm just going to place this a little bit inwards to let the white fade into the pink. Alright, and now with my Morphe M330 brush, I did pick up a little bit of the teal from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to work this in my outer V and also in the crease of my outer corner. Now with the same brush, I'm going to dive into a darker blue from that same palette, and just a little added detail. I'm just going to stamp it right here in my outer corner area. To pick up this aqua green color from the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to tuck this so close to that blue. Line my waterline. You guys need to sit down for this because it's a super long name. It's called the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. And in parentheses it says, this eyeliner is so good, the name had to be this long. Alright, now that my eyes are completed, we can jump into 1, 2. This is the completed look. If you like what you've seen in this video today, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It helps so much. And drop a couple comments down below. Let your girl know how she's doing. Look at this glow though. I mean, yes. Damn. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.